What if your solar setup could run for years without failure, even in harsh weather? Imagine installing it once and never worrying again. In today's video, I'll reveal the top 5 best rigid solar panels for permanent installation that deliver long-term power, durability, and real value. Stay with me, you'll discover reliable energy solutions that can truly change your setup forever. Welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of weak or short-lasting panels, you're in the right place. Today, I'll help you choose strong, high-efficiency rigid panels built for permanent use so you save money and avoid replacements. And hey, if any of these catch your eye, you can grab them through the links in the description. Super simple and trusted. At number 5 is eco-worthy high-efficiency monocrystalline solar panel. Most solar setups fail not because of sunlight, but because the panels can't keep up with real-life demands. That's where the eco-worthy high-efficiency monocrystalline solar panel quietly changes the game. Built for those chasing dependable, long-term energy, it delivers around 800 up daily under solid sun, making it a practical choice for RV owners, cabin users, or anyone planning a permanent off-grid installation. The 21.5% efficiency feels noticeable, especially during limited daylight, where weaker panels often disappoint. Installation feels refreshingly simple with pre-drilled mounting and plug-and-play cables, cutting down setup frustration. Its corrosion-resistant frame and strong load tolerance handle harsh weather without constant worry. Still, it's not the most compact option, and compared to something like Renogy's premium panels, it trades a bit of refinement for affordability. But for users who want a complete, ready-to-run system with reliable output, this kit fits naturally into any serious solar upgrade. Some products power devices, this one quietly powers independence. At number 4 is HQ's 100-watt 12 volts monocrystalline solar panel. Most people don't realize they're losing power every single day because their solar panels can't capture what's right behind them. That hidden inefficiency is exactly where the HQ's 100-watt 12 volts monocrystalline solar panel stands out. Designed with bifacial technology, it pulls energy from both sides, quietly boosting output up to 115 watt and making it a smart choice for permanent outdoor setups. For RV owners, cabin users, or off-grid systems, that extra gain becomes noticeable during long-term use. Performance stays strong even in low light thanks to perk cells, solving the common frustration of weak generation on cloudy days. Installation feels flexible, especially when mounted on reflective surfaces to unlock its full potential. The durable aluminum frame and high load resistance make it reliable for years. Still, it demands thoughtful placement to truly shine, unlike simpler panels such as basic eco-worthy models that work fine without optimization. For those willing to set it up right, this panel delivers more than expected and quietly reshapes how efficient a compact solar system can feel. At number 3 is BougeRV Arch 200 watts fiberglass flexible solar panel. Most people assume rigid panels are the only reliable choice until curved surfaces turn installation into a constant compromise. That's where the BougeRV Arch 200 watts fiberglass flexible solar panel changes expectations. Built with double fiberglass layers, it resists cracks while bending up to 270 degrees, making it ideal for boats, vans, and uneven rooftops where traditional panels simply cannot fit. The lightweight design feels effortless to handle, yet performance stays strong with a 23% conversion rate and improved heat control that keeps output steady. For those frustrated by limited mounting space or bulky frames, this panel offers a practical escape. The etched surface adds durability against scratches and harsh conditions, though it may not feel as rigidly secure as heavy-framed panels in extreme environments. Compared to something like Huest rigid options, it trades structural stiffness for versatility. For mobile setups or creative installations, this panel delivers freedom in places where standard designs fall short and transforms overlooked spaces into consistent energy sources. On number 2 is Renogy N-Type 400-watt solar panel. Most solar systems don't fail instantly. They slowly lose power until you notice your energy independence slipping away. That quiet decline is exactly what the Renogy N-Type 400-watt solar panel is built to resist. Designed for permanent installations, it pushes efficiency to around 25% using advanced cell technology, delivering consistent output even when heat or cloud cover would weaken standard panels. For van lifers, off-grid homeowners, or anyone building a long-term solar setup, its compact yet powerful design solves the common struggle of limited roof space without sacrificing performance. It runs cooler, reduces energy loss, and maintains output where older panels tend to fade. Installation feels straightforward, and compatibility with multiple battery systems adds flexibility. Still, its premium build places it above entry-level options, and it may feel excessive for small setups compared to lighter panels like BougeRV flexible models. For those focused on stable, high-capacity energy over years, this panel brings a level of confidence that transforms solar from a backup plan into a dependable daily power source. Now, moving to the last one is eco-worthy 2PC's 100-watt solar panels. Most people underestimate how frustrating it is when a solar setup looks complete but delivers inconsistent power day after day. That gap between expectation and reality is where the eco-worthy 2PC's 100-watt solar panels proves its value. Designed as a practical entry into long-term solar use, this dual-panel kit produces around 800 watt-hour daily under solid sunlight, making it ideal for RV owners, small homes, or expanding an existing system. The upgraded PERC cells push efficiency higher, while low-light performance keeps energy flowing when conditions are less than perfect. Installation feels approachable, even for beginners, thanks to pre-drilled holes and simple connectors. Its durable frame handles wind and snow without constant maintenance concerns. Still, compared to higher capacity options like Renogy 400-watt panels, it requires more space to scale up power. For users seeking a balanced mix of affordability, reliability, and steady output, this setup fits naturally into a permanent installation plan and turns a basic solar idea into something consistently dependable. If you want one panel that truly feels like a long-term investment instead of a temporary solution, the clear winner is the Renogy N-Type 400-watt solar panel. It delivers higher efficiency, around 25% with advanced cell technology, meaning more power from the same space and better performance in heat and cloudy conditions. Unlike budget kits that trade consistency for price, this panel maintains output over time and reduces energy loss, making it ideal for permanent installations. It's perfect for serious users who want stable, high-capacity energy without constant upgrades. Simply put, you're buying fewer problems, stronger performance, and a system that keeps working when others start fading. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best rigid solar panels for permanent installation. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.